Guys, it's on this YouTube channel, and today I'm doing a dog video, and this is my dog Wally. I'm just going to tell you about him. The breed is called a Lagotto romagnolo. They're a medium-sized dog. They could grow to be 30 to 40 pounds. And they're very athletic dogs. If you ever watched the Westminster Kennel Club dog show, they're in the sporting group. They came in 2019, I think, or 2018, I forgot, but you guys could look them up. I'll show you how to write the name on the video. So, you want to search them. Go ahead and search them once you see this video. And they live to be 18 to 22 years. I'm 6 right now, so we might have one till I'm 28. And he's sleeping right now. And that's it for the video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. Peace out.